And you're just running these edges because you need them perfectly square. This thing here is what we call the duckbill.
Technical high school students are the future of Connecticut's infrastructure.
There's nothing that's better than to work in the tech school district.
I love the tech school so much.
You are getting to see kids work hands-on. You're getting to see kids work in academia.
We are training the future of Connecticut. Many of our students go on to work for big corporations.
We could take kids from any social, economic background and really put them in a career where after graduation, they're able to be successful and support their families.
We have amazing students. Our kids come from such a diverse background. They bring so many different experiences, and I've learned as much from them, probably more from them, than they have from me in the time I've been here.
The really unique thing, the really special thing about the trade schools is the relationship that the students make with their trade instructors.
Amen. Being a mentor to these kids is extremely rewarding. They're here for 91 days a year in shop, 5 hours a day. So you're really a part of that student's life. You're able to see them mature. And there's not too many places where you can have relationships like that.
Having that opportunity to build those relationships allows for students to really thrive. Kids come to school, kids want to learn when they know that an adult cares about them.
And we can use our fitting shears and kind of blend it in a little bit more.
One of my favorite things to do is just walk around and visit the shops and see what kind of projects are they up to.
Making that connection between the curriculum and different trades, it keeps things fun, engaging, and practical.
I direct my lessons to their trades. So I kind of have insight of where they're going to, what's at the end of the tunnel. I know that the kids are very hands-on oriented, so I could do my lessons, which I have fun with, hands-on activities, movement. All those are benefits for me to teach in the tech school versus teaching anywhere else.
We see them like with their tools and they're headed out on the job. That's something that you wouldn't see in a traditional high school. To see these kids out on job sites, it's like these are young people. This is our future.
Let's get it locked in.
As a carpenter, I was nervous coming from being in a trade one day to teaching the next, but CTEC really gives you that support and makes it so you can be successful in that transition.
I think I've been very lucky in what I've been able to do in this district. I have amazing colleagues that I work with here. We bounce ideas off each other. I talk to teachers within my department certainly, but in other departments.
The CTECS district highly encourages a diverse teaching staff to reflect what the students find in their own communities. In our system, it's a little bit more what you're going to see in the real world when these kids go out.
The opportunity for growth is there. Many of our teachers have moved on to be department heads. Many of our teachers go on to be administrators.
I'm involved with so many things. Like if you want to be involved, there's opportunity for you.
I also think because we are such a big district, there's so many people that you can learn from. Having that broad group of people and that big network to work with, there's so much information there and there's so much that can be gained as a teacher if I'm trying to work continually to get better.
I have made some good friends here and I have some role models as teachers, so it keeps me on my toes.
The bonds that you make, the memories that you will have, you're not going to find that in any other place except for CTEC.
Being that part of a student's life and helping them develop, helping them get a job and be successful in life is amazing.
Truthfully, honestly, I love working here. It's just an awesome experience. I have a good day almost every day.
Come, be a part of teaching Connecticut's future.
Come build Connecticut's future with CTECS.